Welcome to Stafford Audi. Today I'd like to show you this approved used 2022 on a 22 plate Audi E-Tron GT in Mythos black metallic paintwork. Now this vehicle is an approved used vehicle, so it does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. For more information, contact us now on 01785 899 417. To start off with, let's take a full 360 degree tour around this stunning GT. So starting out at the front, we have these super bright matrix LED headlights to illuminate any obstacles on the road in front of you. They also look really stylish as well, I'm sure you'll agree. Then looking down, we've got the 20-inch 5 twin-spoke design alloy wheels, and these really complement the black paintwork and also really pick out the nice silver accents on the vehicle, such as those badges. Looking to the side, we've got the privacy glass, which means that any rear occupants are protected from the sun, and it also means that any items you have in the back are well hidden from view. Looking in the rear, you do have 3 spacious rear seats. The outer 2 do come with ISOFIX points, making this the perfect family car. And we also have as well there the lovely centre armrest, perfect for increasing comfort in the back, alongside a third climate control zone. This vehicle does also come with the panoramic glass roof there, which looks amazing and lets lots of light into the cabin. Standing to the rear, we've got the LED rear lights with that rear light bar alongside the dynamic rear indicators, which are really stylish as well as being really functional. And then if we pop open the electric tailgate, as you can see at the minute as well, we do have the electrically deployable rear spoiler up. And then looking inside, we've got these plenty of space in there for things such as your golf clubs or those suitcases for that weekend away. And once the rear seats are folded, you can get larger items in there as well. Now if we just close that electrically operated tailgate there, it does so very quietly and efficiently. Walking down to the side of the vehicle then, we have charging ports either side for AC and DC current. And on this side here, if you pop open the cover there, you can see that it is very easy to use, very easy to find, and tucks away neatly on the front. And as part of the optional comfort and sound package, we do have the advanced key with keyless entry. So you just tap the pad there to lock the vehicle and grab the door handle to unlock, as long as the key's on your person. Then looking inside, we have plenty of high quality material. So we have this stunning black gloss trim here, and then underneath it we do have this lovely silver trim, which looks really nice and complements the interior very nicely. We do have these stunning black leather seats in this vehicle, which are really comfortable, really supportive, especially as they have a full electric adjustment. And that means it's very easy to find that perfect driving position. Then looking over to the side, as part of the optional comfort and sound package on this vehicle, we do have the Bang & Olufsen surround sound system, which is perfect for those audiophiles who just want something extra from their sound system. So that completes our initial 360 degree walk around of this approved used Audi E-Tron GT. For more information, contact us now on 01785 899 417. For the next part of this video, let's take a more in-depth look inside this GT at some of the lovely features on offer in this stunning vehicle. So as you'd expect, we do have the electrically adjustable heated and power folding door mirrors, which is great for those tighter parking spaces and protecting those lovely mirror caps. And we have this flat bottomed leather-wrapped 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, so all the input and buttons are right at your fingertips. So on the left, we've got the controls for Audi's virtual cockpit, which is our digital dash screen. And then behind that we have our downshift paddle there, but in this case it's used for the regenerative braking, and that increases or decreases the amount of the regen braking that you get. Underneath that we've got our cruise control and speed limiter, which is perfect for those longer drives and also means you shouldn't get any speeding tickets because this car is blisteringly quick. On the right hand side then we've got our voice control as well as our radio controls, and behind that we've got our upshift paddle there, which is also used for the regenerative braking as well. Sat behind the steering wheel, we have Audi's virtual cockpit, which is our digital dash screen here, and you can see things on there such as some of the vehicle settings. You can have a look at your radio station, your telephone, as well as your map screen, and you can change the size of those dials there to create that truly personalised feel. This vehicle does also come with the optional heads-up display, which illuminates the road ahead of you and just projects a nice little speed display there. Looking over to the central infotainment screen here, we've got our digital audio broadcasting radio stations. There are plenty to choose from, so you should never be short of anything to listen to. We've got our media there via Bluetooth or USB. We have our telephone for those important business calls on the way home. We also have our navigation with our map screen there that can mirror the virtual cockpit, and you can also pre-save your favourite destinations, so home is never far away. We've got our phone apps there, so you can connect your car to Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, which means you can use things such as Siri and Spotify, and this means you don't have to take your eyes off the road when you're using them. We're looking at our car setting there. We've got Audi's Drive Select. So if you want to go for an economy run, you can put the vehicle in efficiency, whereas if you want to feel the punch off that 350 kilowatt battery, you can put the vehicle in dynamic or choose the options for yourself in individual there. And as part of the optional comfort and sound pack again, we do have the extended LED interior lighting pack. So you can choose some pre-selected options there to really create the mood in the vehicle. Or you can go on individual and choose from 30 different colours there. So you've got your surface colours, and then you can choose from 30 different colours to truly create that exact vibe you're looking for in your vehicle. Now, also available as part of the optional comfort and sound package, we do have the 360-degree surround view camera system, so you can see exactly where you are in relation to any obstacles around the vehicle, and this also means you can get perfectly in those parking spaces. And we do have as well this insanely good 3D surround camera system there, so you can see a 3D model of the car and see what's around you. We do also have as well the optional parking assist on this vehicle, which means all you have to do is indicate as you're driving along, and you can find that space that's big enough for your vehicle, and the car will do all of the steering and the acceleration for you. And looking down, we've got the front controls here for our 3-zone climate control, so you can have the aircon blasting if it's a really warm day, and you can also have different temperatures for both passengers in the front as well as those in the rear. And we do have as well the heated front seats, perfect for those chilly winter mornings, especially on those drives to work. Looking down then, we've got our gear selector, so it's very easy to use and looks very modern and sleek. So you can just push it backwards into drive or forwards into reverse, and then you just push P, and then you can get out and the vehicle will turn itself off. And then we have our volume controls here as well as our Seek track. You can also push it in at the bottom there to mute it. We've got our twin cup holders, and then behind that we've got space under this little cubby here for your mobile phone at the back there, which fits in this nice wireless charging pad. We've got a 12-volt socket there for any accessories alongside 2 USB-C chargers, perfect for charging those modern mobile devices. And that little bit of storage space under there as well is perfect for your wallet or keys, which you wish to remain hidden from view. So that completes our look today at this approved used 2022 Audi E-Tron GT. For more information, to get a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive with us, contact us now on 01785 899 417. And as an approved used vehicle, this car does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you at Stafford Audi very soon.